In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a new domain and connect it to your hosting account with ease. Whether you're creating a new website or moving your existing one to a brand new domain, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is set up correctly. First, let's talk about purchasing your new domain. Start by heading over to Hostinger's Domain Checker. This tool is quite handy for instantly searching available domains. It's important to choose something that's both memorable and relevant to your content or business. Once you've found the perfect fit, simply follow the prompts to purchase it. It's a straightforward process. Just fill in the necessary details, confirm your purchase, and voila! You now own a new domain. Now that you've secured your new domain, let's move on to connecting it to your hosting account. For this, you'll need to access your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Websites in your H panel. This is where you manage all your domains and hosting settings. Be sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, making it easier for you to navigate in the future. In this section, find the website you intend to move to the new domain. You'll notice 3 dots located next to this particular website. Click on them, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select the option labeled Change Domain. This is your starting point for reconfiguring your website to work with that shiny new domain you've just purchased. When you click Change Domain, you'll be prompted to enter the name of your new domain. If you just bought it through Hostinger, it should conveniently appear in a drop-down list for you to choose. If not, you can manually enter it. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully to ensure you're connecting it properly. Hostinger typically guides you through a few confirmation steps to link the domain seamlessly. That's it. You've now successfully connected your new domain to your hosting. It's a straightforward process, but taking your time to complete each step ensures a smooth transition. Remember, making changes to domains and hosting takes some time to propagate, so if things don't appear to be working immediately, give it a little while and check back later. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy web building!